Hello, welcome to Leon's Lockpad. Everybody, hope everybody's doing well. Today we are going to do a video on finding out what's inside this. Show people a big reason why not to use these. I've already pre-cut. I've also grounded the bottom, but we've not separated it just yet. Let's get this yellow cover off. Give me a minute. Let's get some scissors and get this cut open. Wow. Right, we've got double locking paw, but and we've got this plastic thing around here. I wonder if there's anything underneath that. Let me go and get a screwdriver. Give me a second. We have to give it a little bit of persuasion, as you can see. As you can see, this just has a plastic case there, but spring. Let's see if we can get this core out. You can see it's just plastic. Look for something strong. Give me another minute. There we go. As you can see, there's your core, there's the inside, and from what I can see in there, yep, all that's protecting that core, it's not full lamination, it's just plastic. It's all plastic inside as well. So there's nothing holding this core on, and when you see the core, as you can see, this is why they say modern ones that say waterproof are metal cores. Not modern ones, you know, main branded, fairly expensive ones. But these cheaper ones where they say they're waterproof, the reason is it's waterproof is because it has a plastic core. As you can see, look. Or they're just cheapos and want to make the locks as cheap as possible, but this would not serve much security at all. Like I say, you heat this up with a lighter, or you know, especially something like a flameless, not flameless, like a windproof lighter. Heat this core up. This core is gonna get hot. This Bible's just gonna melt. So yeah, sorry, Bible. That's plastic, and it will just melt, and the lock will turn. So yeah, stay away from these. If you just want to buy one to pull it apart and have a bit of a nosy how it works, but certainly don't use it for locking anything, and they're really not good for picking either. As I say, the tolerances are really bad with it being plastic. You're not going to get that true feel if you're in the UK or anything. You know, go for a Yale or something like that. All sorts of things, but stay away from the cheapos, and stay away also from the cheap Euro locks, as most of these have, you know, you see them in pound shops. These usually want like £5 for them. They look all nice and shiny brass, but they're not. They're really crappy cast metal, and they have a bone core. You get the core like a fish core, so fish bones, and all your pins will just fall in it. So yeah, stay away from them as well. But yeah, that was a little insight on these for those who are new to picking. Stay away from using these. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and bye. See you in the next one.